you to see this. These are all the patterns for the dinnerware. You know, I might as well just start while I'm right here and go through all the different patterns. What I want you to know though is it's service for 4. So if you need service for 8 or service for 12, do that tonight, because don't assume your color and your pattern is still going to be here. And I know for myself, 4 doesn't even do my kids in Markham. So anyway, here, look at the polka dot in the taupe. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Here's the polka dot in the gray right there. Then we've got 2 different holiday ones, and this one I believe we're just calling holiday. And then over here we have poinsettia. So you can actually have Christmas dinnerware at one of the most affordable prices they've ever brought dinnerware to QVC from Temp-tations. Now I'll go through the colors over here. Tara, jump in if I get it wrong, but these are all the floral lace. Back here, what's this one called? Spice.
That is spice.
Okay.
That is spice.
This one is called
light blue.
Light blue. Then back here we've got cobalt blue and we've got the green. Next to that we've got the chocolate brown, I believe that's what we call it. And then here is the cranberry. We put cranberry next to red so you can really see the difference. This is the color my daughter-in-law collects, and that's the cranberry. So look at this in the black. It looks like toile, doesn't it? That's beautiful.
It does.
Here it is in the blue. Actually, you know what I was just thinking? This one over here, back here that I called cobalt blue, is the purple. I think that's the purple.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, yeah. Here's the cobalt blue. This is your taupe. There is your gray. That's just the first ones. That's just the floral lace.
Yep,
and
floral lace.
The polka dot and the holiday ones. Let's come on over. These are done in Old World. So once again, I believe this one's called Spice. Is that right?
Right.
And the brown. There's your eggplant right back there, which is a beautiful purple. Here's the cranberry, here's the red, so you can see the difference. Then we have the black. This is confetti, which is what Tara collects right there. Here's the blue, which is what I collect. And then here is the green. And oh, by the way, Old World in taupe and in gray. Oh my gosh.
So pretty.
Okay, this is really truly a sale price. And let me just scoot around here. The sale price, I believe, goes away at the end of the day. And same with the Easy Pay. So this is a great time to decide. But like I said, most affordable dinnerware, Temp-tations has brought us. This is also one that you get that Food Network Kitchen app with 6 months for free, okay? I want to go back to Tara. Tara, like we had serveware and bakeware and all that, but people kept saying we want more. And I got an entire set of dinnerware from QVC in your Temp-tations in the blue Old World, where I bought 3 sets, so I have service for 12. And I'm telling you that, and I've had that how many years? I don't know, 4, 5, 6 years at least. Tell me about your dinnerware.
Sure. Well, first and foremost, you're going to receive service for 4. So 4 of the 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 of your 8-inch salad or dessert plates, 4 of your 18-ounce bowls. I love how the hand paintings on the inside as well as the outside, and 4 of your 14-ounce mugs. I love the fact that literally you could never walk into a retail store and see this many colors, this many patterns of dinnerware that is so incredibly affordable. You would never believe that it was hand painted. You would never believe that it was stoneware. And here's the best part. Although it looks like your fine china, you don't have to treat it like that. You literally can put these pieces in the microwave, in the oven up to 500 degrees. You want to reheat that slice of pizza? No problem. You don't have to worry. And they're durable, in and out of the dishwasher, in and out of the cabinet. You don't have to baby these, although they look like your fine china. We very rarely have dinnerware in stock of all of these colors. So I love the fact, again, not only with that great sale price, but that you could pick up a service for 4, service for 8, and again, put it through the paces, right? You don't have to baby these pieces.
Yeah, this is for every day. Every single day if you want.
It is.
And you're getting it at $10 less than our QVC price.
Amazing.
So it really makes a difference. Also, Tara, would you talk to me about the shape of the plate?
Sure. Yeah, so that plate, thank you, great point, has that great coupe shape. So it means that all of your sauces, your gravies, everything's gonna stay put on both of the pieces. And as you start to layer them, you really start to see the beauty of all the individual hand painting, and then layer the bowl. Everything has that rope detail if you're picking up Old World. If you're picking up Floral Lace, it has the beading. And then of course that chubby silhouette of the mug, I just think that's so adorable and so practical. I did want you to show, Mary Beth, if you wouldn't mind, the holiday, because there are 3 different patterns.
I'm actually pointing to them off camera. You don't know that. But the whole thing is that so many women have wanted Christmas dinnerware, and they could never afford it. I mean, I couldn't. If one service for one would be $50 to $100. This is service for 4 for $51. Let's talk first of all about the holiday one. I believe we call it holiday. Is that right?
It's holiday, correct. So you have, I think we're missing the bowl there, but you have the scenes there. So you have the mug there that has, of course, the Santa at the stovetop. You've seen that pattern before. Underneath there on the dessert plate, you have another iconic scene of ours. And that's going to be, of course, Santa by the fireplace with all of the characters helping with the packages. So cute. And then below that, for the dinner plate, we should have our beautiful, iconic Christmas tree decorated with floral lace and Old World ornaments, the mailbox there with the cardinal that I do in honor of my father, the beautiful sleigh filled with packages. This can be that holiday dinnerware that you can layer in with all of your other pieces. And I love what you said. Maybe it was just too expensive to have something that you only use a few times a year. This is such a great way to add that to your collection and set that beautiful table.
Let's talk about poinsettia. If you want to go ahead and tell us about that,
Yeah, our poinsettia is that beautiful classic, that red, that green, that white. Again, in that beautiful poinsettia pattern that you see there. But it's also one of those kind of Tuscan feel as well. Like, you know it's a poinsettia, but you could use this all year round and dress it up from kind of everyday to holiday as it takes you through the collection there. So you can't go wrong with any of those. It's one of the first times we've done taupe in our floral lace, that we've done gray in our floral lace, and Old World as well. So if you've been collecting those great pieces, now you can have what I like to call the exclamation point on your table that pulls it all together, and that's our dinnerware.
And you'll love using it day in and day out. Here's the 2 polka dot colors, the taupe and the gray. I'm going to go through all of these again. So the taupe polka dot, the gray polka dot. Here's holiday, there's poinsettia. If we come back over here, these are all the floral lace, like a toile look. And up here we have the spice, and down there the light blue. Then down there we have the green. That's the green. Up here, eggplant. That's where I messed up last time. That's the eggplant. It's like a deep purple. Then we also have the chocolate and the cranberry right here. Chocolate and cranberry. If you want the cranberry, 150 sets remain. And especially if you want to get 2 or 3 sets, get there quickly. Then up here we have the red, fewer than 200 there. Here's the black right down there. Then here we've got the blue, we call it cobalt blue, very popular, by the way. And then down here is that taupe. They're loving this one. And what would you say? 200 sets left in the taupe floral lace. And here's the gray floral lace, which a lot of you bought the side dishes, the platter and the bowls, etc. There's your dishes for you. And then we come over here to Old World, and there is your spice right here. Then we've also got the brown chocolate brown. Up here is the eggplant. Once again, it's your purple. Then we come over here, we've got the cranberry and the red, and you can see cranberry is darker, red is a little brighter. By the way, the poinsettia set would go with this set or the green set when we get to it. Here we've got the black. Here is confetti right there. Confetti, very, very popular, 250 sets remaining. And then here we've got the green and the blue. And then here is the Old World taupe and the gray. And I just want to say really quickly too, this bowl holds 18 ounces. That could be a side serving as well. And then in the cups, 14 ounces. You're getting service for four dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 mugs, 4 bowls. And like I said, get a second set or a third